This is Candace here. Oh my gosh. So, I was looking at my videos and this makes my stomach look hella bigger than it is. It is not this big, but I guess because of the pockets, that's the way it is. So it makes me look like I'm so fat under here, which I'm really not. So, I'm coming to you today with my packages came. I'm so excited. So my packages came because I ordered a few things because my sister, we're going out for her birthday next weekend. So let me tell you the story behind that. So, I 86 those boots that I bought. Do not tear at perfection. Open. Tear at perforation to open. Tear at perforation. It doesn't say perfection. I don't know what I was reading. Perforation, I guess, is these two little things. This little dotted line here. So this is from Amazon Prime. This came so quick. So this from Amazon Prime, cause I had the boots. Then I had I had everything else, all the accessories, everything I'm gonna wear, the shirt. Didn't have the pants. So, I'm on Instagram one day, and then some ad popped up for some pants, and I clicked on the pants, and they were $150. Woo! That just took my breath away. $149 for some leather leggings. So you know what your girl did? I went right over to Amazon and I typed in faux leather. Because guys, like seriously, the way I'm set up, I'm a mama of 4. I do not have the time to be spending $150 on those leggings that I'm only gonna wear once. So these are the leggings right here. Ooh, they look kind of, oh, they stretch. I was gonna say they look kind of small. So these are the leggings right here. And then I have to 86. Oh yeah, excuse. I would say excuse my hair, but I like these head wraps. Like, I love them. You just and I get a different head wrap every single time I do it. So that's why I have my head wrap. So these are my pants, my faux leather pants that I got for. Drum roll, please. Dun, dun. Wait. $16.99. Yeah, these were $16.99. And then they would have been cheaper. You know how they do, like, you want to save $2. I didn't feel like filling out nothing, so I was like, no. So these are my faux leather pants. I already showed y'all the shoes already, and I 86 those shoes, the boots. I 86 those, cause I just 86 them. So I got these for $10. These boots from Just Fab. Just Fab. Just Fab. That's me. I'm just fab. Just fabulous. So these are the boots. They're like a wine color. They're so pretty. So a subscriber said that they wanted me to do a get ready with me. So on that day, I haven't decided whether it's going to be Saturday or it's going to be Saturday night. These are the boots. Aren't these cute? Look, they have this detail right here. Cause y'all know, because I'm on multiple sclerosis, I can't wear heels anymore. So aren't these cute? So these with the faux leather jeans, with the faux leather pants. Just give it a visual. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna pretend this is my leg and pretend this is my feet. And we don't have to pretend. That's gonna be cute, right? Yeah, so that's why I bought this. So let me try on the boot. Let me take all the stuff that comes with out. This, some foam stuff. And this, another piece of foam, but I guess that's to like hold the molding of together. Gonna try on the boot and move you guys back. These curtains are coming down. This was my office that I used to teach in. Does this chair come down? Guess not. So I think it goes past my knee. It does. So I have on my infamous mom sweatsuit. So I throw this I didn't zip it all the way down. Thank God. I didn't zip the boot all the way down because I was like, my foot is not going in this. Okay. Whew. I was like, my foot is not going in this. And then I read the reviews for this boot online, and a lot of people said that they wish they wouldn't have gotten a wide leg. So I'm in my head right now thinking it should be big enough because I didn't get the wide leg. I just got the regular. I'm zipping up right now. Gotta try to straighten it. This is where I wish that Noah was here, but he'll be here in a few. I remember as a kid, I used to zip up my mom's. I don't think it was boots. I think I used to zip up like a dress or something. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna push you guys back. Oh my God. Maybe this was a mistake. Maybe I should have got wide. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. The boot. It's cute, right? Let me move this chair back. This is gonna be so cute with the faux leggings. And my ponytail, yes, I would a ponytail as well. Yes! I have a mirror right here. I'm gonna pull out. Oh, yes! She is liking what she's giving, honey. Oops. That's the mirror. I'm trying to put it by you guys. Well, I'll just sit it right here. You still see? Oh, wow. This is sexy. This is sexy. I likey. So I'm going to have on my ponytail. Then I'm going to have on the shirt I bought from Easy Pickings. This is not going to be in the way. This fake thing. I just have to think about a jacket that I'm going to wear. And a purse. Yeah, so I'm going to have to buy those. So, thank you guys for watching me open up my stuff. I want you all to remember to save your coin. You still could be cute, but you don't have to spend an arm and a doggone leg just to be cute. So save your coin. And thanks for watching. Bye.